Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have seen how to create pod and the containers. Now we are going to create a replica sets. And first we will write the code, YAML code for replica sets, and then deploy the replica sets using that YAML file. So in the YAML file, will the very first we will mention the API version is the API versions app version v1, and then kind is a replica set. And in the previous video, while we are creating a multi-container pod, uh, we put the kind is a pod. Same like that, once we create the deployment, the kind should be the deployment here. So I'm creating replica sets is a kind replica sets metadata, then metadata name is a web server hyphen rs specification replicators. We are choosing three selector, and then match label means if in all three replicas we will put the same match label as a nginx web. In the template metadata we can use any name in the match label, which should be common in the all, like pod matching this label will be handled by this replica set. So this is the same label of pods will be matching by the this replica set is a name web server rs template pod template configuration file metadata file. Then in the label is a app nginx pod label and the pod label one environment deployment. Then a specification is the container name web and the image this one. So this is the code which I have written it for there. Again I will go to the cloud console, and from here I can see it's a ls hyphen l, and you can see the files. So now I am going to create the replica set. So I need to copy the replica set file. First I will use the cat command, cat and the file name, enter it, and you can see the app version, kind replica set, metadata name, specification, and is the replicas is the three replica I'm going to create: selector, match label, and nginx web. And the template metadata label, in the template is the label is the app, and type is the type is prod and nginx web. Specification is a container, inside the container I'm using web and nginx. So here I want to change it, so use the vi command was vi editor. So I'm using is a vi, and again to make the changes we need to put I. Once we press I, we'll go to the insert mode, and here I will change the image to curl and press escape colon WQ and enter. So my file has been saved. Again, I will see the file with the cat command with using the file name, and you can see the image name has been changed. Okay. Also, if I want to change the app label, we can change it using the same command. So very first is a app label, curl web, and here curl web escape colon and WQ. And now to create this replica set, we need to use the command is a kubectl kubectl hyphen apply kubectl apply hyphen f, then the YAML file name. and here it will show the replica set. This one is created now. Clear, and we can see the kubectl get replica sets. So is the so showing me the replica set desired 3, current 3, ready, and age is at 20 second ago. It's a created 20 second ago. Now using the same command with the hyphen o and white, so it will showing the details over here. Web server rs 3 is a 37 second. Web container web image curl, and up app selector is a curl web. Again, in the previous video, I have created a multi-container port, so I can check that also. Is a kubectl get pods. Sorry, it's a typo error. It's a pods, and it will show me the list of pods. 3 pods. These 3 rs with the rs. These 3 pods are created through the replica set, and 1 pod is created using the multi-container pod. I also can see this for the hyphen o and white. So these are the different IPs with the different containers. Okay. Now in the next section I'm coming, we have covered like a replica set, and now we will cover the scaling. Okay. In my previous video I have covered a multi-container pod, how to create that. What is a replica set? That is a theory based. So I will show you in the PPT in the presentation video. So for that I will create a separate video. And now I'm going to I already covered the replica sets, and now is a scaling. So for scaling again I need to go to the VI mod. So it's a VI, then the file name. Okay. And scale means what I need to scale means, suppose in replica sets I have three. Okay, 3 replicas over here. So first I press I, and it will in the insert mode. Then I will delete 3 and update it to 4. So once I update it to 4, it will scale up. One replica is will be added in the uh, common one. So from 3 to 4 I have modified it, and now is a escape button, and then colon and WQ. Okay. Again, if I will, I need to use that command is a kubectl apply hyphen f and port. So it's a apply. If why I was telling you to use the apply command is a make a practice to use the apply command, because while you scaling this, it's always take the apply command, not use the create. That's why if you are using the create command in the previous thing to create a replica set, and while you are going to uh, scale it, then you need to use the apply command. So there are two different commands you need to use. So better if you will go with the single command, use kubectl apply hyphen f. So I just press 1 is a replica set. This one has been configured, and now I will use the kubectl this. So you can see the desired is 4. Previously it was 3, and now it's showing is the current is 4. If I will use the pod get pods, it will show me the number of pod is increased. Okay, these are the one replica set is increased over here. This is my web server, rs is the name, and then after that is a put a unique code with each container. Okay, now come to the container, click on the container, uh, is a cluster, and in the cluster, while I am going in the node section, I have single node, so it will show the single node over here. And in the node, once I click here, it will show me the services running or containers, all the things. So here it is showing the cube system is the services which are running here, and then image pullback off. That's why it's showing error, because image pullback is showing off. But these are the is a web server, is a replica set, and the replica set. So very first I need to enable the image pullback should be on. Show detail web server. Okay, so I need to down, and then I need to enable the mm, pullback. And also in the YAML file you can see that is the auto created once the container is created, is the API version v1 kind port metadata announcement is the kubectl detail, the kubectl kubernetes IO applied configuration, and configuration is this, like nginx web, yes, web server namespace default type, creation image stamp, managed field, API version v1, again the v1. This is the complete detail under the container is a basically cluster. Inside the cluster is the pod, and inside the pod is a container. Okay, so already exist here and from here. So now we'll see how to delete the things which we created here. So you can replace the apply with the delete command. So go to the apply, just remove this and put the delete command and enter. So it will be deleted. And now if I will check with the ports, it will show me a single port. Is a not the RS1. Is the RS1 is deleted, one is deleted, which is added later. Okay. And now it's showing the terminating. Again, I will put the same command get ports detail, and it's showing me a single image, that is multi-container port. So again, if I want to delete it, I need to check the multi-container port file using the delete command. So it's a pod using replica sets, and replica sets I already deleted, and now I am going to delete multi-container YAML file. So again, you need to remove apply and put the delete command over there, delete, and press enter. So the this is also deleted. And now again, if you will check that pods is there, how many pods are there. So kubectl get pods. No pods are available. Kubectl get replica sets. No replica sets. Okay. So also in my next video, I will show you how these architecture is work, how the communication going on from the replica set to services, and from this service to this service, and from this service to pod. It's already I have explained this in a video, but through the command or through the practically I will show you the how the traffic is going from one container to another container, or from one node to another node, or from one port to another port. These kind of connectivity I will show you how is going on. Is I will show you the through the design only, but in the command line in the from cloud shell also I will uh, provide you the detail how you can check these things. Okay, so keep watching my videos to get more and more about the containers or the Kubernetes. So I will try my best to provide you the best things in the market is a Kubernetes. So is a replica set, and in the next video I will show you to create a deployment. Is a deployment is a basically is a this thing, and after deployment I will show you the create the service like cluster IP, node port, or load balancer. So keep watching and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.